Got a damaged shielded Cat6 run? Don't pull a whole new cable yet. This is a shielded Cat6 inline junction box. It uses 110 punch-down terminals, letting you splice together two solid conductor Cat6 cable ends together. First, strip back the jacket on both cable ends and remove the shielding. Wrap the drain wire around the jacket, and you could also use copper tape to create a clean contact point. Next, match the T568B color code on the junction box and place each conductor into the correct slot. Then, punch them down one by one. Make sure the drain wire or copper tape makes contact with these metal prongs. The metal prongs clamp around the cable to help maintain the shield path and add strength to the splice. Once both sides are terminated, close the junction box, secure it, and just like that, you've got a clean, shielded Cat6 splice without replacing the entire cable run. Search part number 30X8-51100 on CableWholesale.com to get yours today.